Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, let's talk about how to set up Delta Executor key on iOS for Roblox. Now, before getting into it, Delta Executor is a Roblox script executor designed for iOS users. So to use it, you must set it up for your key correctly to gain access and basically run scripts. So let's do it. Now, step 1, download the Delta Executor on iOS. Choose Safari or any browser for this point on your iPhone or your iPad. Visit this one, the official website, and tap download for iOS. Follow the prompts, and once installed, you need to go to your settings, head over to general and look for VPN and device management, and basically trust the developer. Step 2, going for launch a Delta Executor on your home screen after downloading it. On your first launch, your app will prompt you for a key. Tap for the button labeled Get Key or Get the Key System. Navigate the key system, you'll be directed to a series of websites. Basically, you need to complete some tasks here. For example, usually some ads to unlock for the next page. After 2 to 3 steps, you're gonna receive your key code. I know it may sound frustrating completing a few tasks, but patience will always give you the key code. Now, copy the key code exactly. It's also a case sensitive and time limited. Take note about that one. Enter this one to the application, and basically for that one, paste the copied key on the key input box. Submit and verify, and you're successful. You'll be granted access to the Executor dashboard. Now from here now, you're going to be inside the Executor application dashboard. You're going to have access for Script Hub or Editor tab. Paste any scripts you want, for example, and basically launch Roblox to start any game. Now switch back to Delta and basically click on Execute. Alright? This is fairly technical. Make sure you launch Roblox and then switch back to Delta and click on Execute. And basically for the tips and reminders for you guys that always use trusted websites, avoid fake data or Delta Executor clones, use only key expires, you need to repeat the process from step 1. And some iOS versions may black installations, so basically just update your iOS. Alright? And basically for that one, thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one.